Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the channel. And for the first design, I'm using these three shades of pink. And I'm using the thin nail art brush to create this design. I'm creating the outline near the cuticle with the lighter pink color first. And this can be easily done with the nail art brush. But if you don't have this kind of a nail art brush with you, you can definitely do this with your normal nail polish brush. And if you create any mess, then you can definitely clear that or clean that up later on. As you can see, I am creating the swirl pattern on the nail. And then next I'll be using the medium pink color, and here also I'm creating the swirl pattern. Now this need not be very perfect or parallel to each other. That's perfectly fine if it's little bit here and there. And this polish is by LED Beauty, which is my recent purchase, and I'll be coming up with a swatch and review of this particular brand so soon. Next I'll be using the darker shade of the pink of the three which I showed in the beginning. See how beautifully these colors complement each other. And to add more fun and sparkle to this design, I'm using the glitter nail polish next. I'm using this glitter nail polish which is by Faces Canada, and I love this polish. I literally love this polish because it's perfectly opaque silver polish, and I'm using the same thin nail art brush to create this border. You can repeat this process to create the border so that the border will look more opaque and clear, and it will stand out. And see how gorgeous these nails look. Now you can use this pattern on all your nails, or you can create the pattern which I showed. I have created this pattern on my ring finger, and for other nails I use the nail polishes which I showed you in the beginning, or which I used in the nail art. Now you can create this nail art design on any special occasion, on wedding, on engagement. You can create this pattern on your engagement because here the ring finger really stands out. And I'm sure you love this design. If you like this design, then please hit like. Now let's move on to the next design. And for the next design, I'm using white color, black color and a glitter polish. Now this glitter polish is by Zudio, and this is again a very beautiful glitter polish which has blue glitter particles into it. I painted my thumbnail with the black color, and I wanted to break the pattern, so I thought white would be the best color to pair up with the black. I painted all other nails with black color. Now you can use black color on all your nails. That will also look beautiful, I'm sure. I'm going to use makeup sponge to create this design, and makeup sponge are very useful to create the gradient nails. I have already uploaded few videos showing the use of makeup sponge to create the gradient nails. You can check out those videos as well. Now I'm placing the glitter on the sponge. Now in this process, the liquid is soaked by the sponge, and only glitter will remain on the nails when you sponge them on the nail. Now see, you can repeat this process twice or thrice as per your own likings, but you have to wait for a minute after doing it for the once. Then I'll spread the glitter particles over the nails with the use of that thin brush, so that a beautiful pattern will be created, and it will look like as if the glitter is spread over the nail randomly. Now see how beautiful this black and blue looks together. I'll be providing the links for the products which I've used in this video. You can definitely check the description box below. Now I'm layering up the glitter polish with the white color, and you can repeat this process twice if you feel that you need more glitter on the nails. And with white and black color, I think this glitter looks nice, but with black color it really looks amazing. It really stands out with the black color. You can use any normal sponge to create this design. This design is really a beginner friendly design, and it does not take a lot of time also to create this design. Then I apply the top coat so that design would be sealed and it will remain on the nails for longer time. You can create this design on any special occasion, for any night party. If you like this design, then please hit like. I create content related to nails, that is nail polish swatches and review, nail art, nail care, nail hacks. If you are interested in this kind of content, then please subscribe to my channel. Also keep the notifications on. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.